Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your AdSense account is active and your email is verified. This avoids delays. Next, make sure the exact ad code snippet is installed on the live pages you intend to monetize so ads can render. Once done, verify domain ownership in Google Search Console and ensure robots. TXT does not block Googlebot or ads. TXT access, because crawlers must reach pages for policy checks and ad serving to work smoothly. Now you inspect the implementation. Open the browser console and network tab to find JavaScript errors or blocked requests that prevent ad loading. At the same time, compare your installed snippet to the latest AdSense code and remove duplicate or altered tags, because mismatched code breaks verification. Also audit your site content for policy violations, copyright, adult material, or scraped content, and fix or remove problematic pages, since policy issues commonly trigger account or ad serving restrictions. Finally, validate fixes by checking AdSense performance reports and Search Console for indexing status so you confirm ads can appear. Clear any CDN or site cache and allow time for Google to recrawl. Then request a re-review if you resolved policy issues. If problems persist, replicate the issue in an incognito window and with extensions disabled to rule out third-party blockers. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the error is local or server-side and guides your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.